Hi everybody, welcome to another adventure. In this short video, we're going to see how to use dictation to allow us to record more information on our iPads and record that information more efficiently and with less effort than it might take to tap, tap, tap on a keyboard. Let's take a look at how to use dictation on an iPad. I'm going to go to Google Drive, hit the plus to create a new Google Doc, and now my keyboard appears. I tap on the little microphone next to the space bar. Now, whatever I say will appear on the screen. Period. The slower I speak, the less mistakes the dictation software will make. Period. I try to speak slowly and clearly, but sometimes the iPad will make mistakes anyway. When it makes mistakes, or when I forget to put in my punctuation, I tap on the screen and then fix my mistakes. Period. I tap anywhere on the screen to stop the voice recording, and I'll hear a little beep. Then I put the cursor where I need to fix my mistakes, fix the mistakes, and always look for suggestions from the iPad, and then move on until I'm done. So there you have it, folks. That's how you use dictation. Whenever the keyboard appears and you're ready to type, whether it be in Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, or Seesaw, or any of the other apps we use, all you need to do is remember to tap on that little microphone next to the space bar, speak slowly and clearly, and remember to go back and fix any mistakes that the dictation software may have made. I hope you enjoyed a quick lesson on using dictation with the iPad. To see how to use dictation on a computer, see the other video about dictation on a computer. It's a little bit longer, but it works just as well. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing lots and lots of recorded observations when you do your science work this year. Bye-bye. Have a great day.